Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we are going to discuss about two job opportunities from Wipro and Cognizant. So we will be discussing in detail. So basically these two jobs are for 2021 batch pass outs, freshers job vacancy. They have come up with the off-campus recruitment. So let's check in details one by one. So as you can see here, Cognizant, the profile is for programmer trainee, which is Gen Z programmer trainee, and this is for BSc and BCA batch 2021 pass outs. Candidates can apply for it, and the last date of application is 23rd of June. So apply before that, don't rush till the end. So apply as soon as possible. Then CTC, which they are currently offering, is 2.52 lakhs per annum approximately. And then let's come to the job description. So requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding and testing you will be doing here. Then use tools and technologies for automation of unit testing, develop stub programs to minimize defects. These are you will be using these tools. Independently resolve technical issues in programming language or environment. Then you should have the self discipline and accountability, personality, which they will be looking into. Then if we come to, you can go through it, you'll understand better. Also eligibility criteria, if we talk about the batch BCA and BSc IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, and then physics, chemistry, stats, and PG courses are not eligible. So if you are pursuing, if you have like done PG course, you are not eligible for it. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. Then if we talk about the consistent academic, that is the minimum 50% in 10th and 12th, and diploma or undergraduate is 50% the percentage, pass percentage they are taking into consideration for all across. No standing arrears in current education, maximum 2 years gap in education, and only Indian national can apply, and flexible to relocate to any location. So this is pan India, but yes, the work shift, any shift and domain they can offer you, any location they can offer you. So you have to be flexible into that. So how to apply for it? You just need to click here on apply. Then you need to fill up your email ID and next. Now, so guys, I will not fill up the entire form, but yes, I'll show you. So you need to fill up the basic details, then contact details, then your current most recent education details and degree, previous education, which is your 10th and 12th, internships or work experience, if you have any, you have to like mention that. And yes, profile photo and documentation, this is all the profile details you have to do it. And yes, again, mention the details correctly in your form, because you never know that you can edit later on or not. So mention it carefully according to all your documents. Then later on we get panic into this because we haven't mentioned it correctly. So mention this correctly. Next job opportunity, I hope you understood this. Now next move on to the Wipro job opportunity. So in Wipro 2021, you can see Wipro integrated learning program. So what does this integrated program learning is basically that it's a unique learning integrated program which offers BC and BSc students to get a chance to work with Wipro, plus pursue their MTech from premier educational institutions in India, sponsored by Wipro. So Wipro is going to sponsor your education, which is your PG course, which they will be helping you. So this is quite a good opportunity from Wipro's end, so you can go through it. Also you can just read out these important points that they do not charge anything. You can go through this disclaimer. Then eligibility criteria. Okay, so core mathematics as one of the subject in graduation. Then business maths, applied maths will not be considered as a core mathematics. Then maximum 3 years education gap, if any, allowed between 10th and graduation. So till 10th and graduation, maximum 3 years of education gap is allowed. No gaps are allowed in graduation. So during graduation is not allowed. Okay? Graduation should be completed within 3 years. I hope this point is clear. Then education should be like full-time 12th, 10th, and recognized university central state. This is very common. Then all arrears and backlogs should be cleared at the time of selection process. Even if you have backlogs, you have to clear before the selection process. Should be Indian citizen. Okay, fine. This we already know. Then candidates should not have participated, okay, in the last 3 months. Okay, if you have already participated in the last 3 months in Wipro for any kind of job opportunities, then you are not eligible to apply here. So after 3 months only you can apply in Wipro again. Let's talk about stipends details. So you will get initially for the first 3 years, that is stipend, which is first year is 15,000 plus 488, approximately 500 rupees. Then stipend next is 70,000, 19,000, and 20,000, 23,000 from fourth year is your salary which you will be offering from Wipro. ठीक है. Then let's talk about on joining candidate would be required to sign an agreement for 60 months. So 60 months service agreement is required on joining. Candidate should be should accept this to join that. Okay, let's discuss about the selection process. So every eligible candidate must go through the assessment. So first step will be your round will be assessment of 80 minutes, which will consist of your aptitude test will be of verbal, analytic, quantitative, which each section is 20 minutes and 20 questions are there. Written communication test is of 20 minutes. Then upon selection on the online test, which is both, the candidates are required to go through the technical interview followed by the HR round. So this is the entire process, which is very similar to, I think, Accenture, like online test plus written communication, and then your technical plus HR. Fine. So this is what the entire selection process is. You can go through the important points here. That do not apply in 3 months. Yeah, we have discussed. And last date to apply this is 15th of July. So yeah, do apply for it as soon as possible. Fine. So now you will be applying like this. So now you can see here the entire application form you need to fill up, like upload your resume, which you can attach anywhere, like from computer, Google Drive, anywhere. Then you need to create your login details, and you need to enter your entire information, which is contact details, Aadhaar. As per Aadhaar, you need to mention your name. Then coming to your address part, then your date of birth and everything you need to mention. Educational details you have to mention. Now mention this very carefully, because a lot of details are being asked here, like CGPA and your registration number and etc. So yes, time zone and preference you can mention here. You have to mention standard, which is Kolkata, you can mention here as per Indian standards. Fine. So this I have shown you, and then submit profile. So this is how you are going to apply for Wipro. So I hope this was very much clear how to apply, and apply as soon as possible. Do share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the red color button for every videos I come up with for updates. And yeah, any doubts, queries, do mention me in the comment section. I'll try to help you guys. And yes, till then guys, bye, have a great day, take care, be safe.